Okay, so I found Macrium Reflect again. I ain't had this for a long time, but it's not as easy to use as most. It requires that the discs are in perfect order. Like so far, I've had about 4 errors. I've only managed to get 1 clone done so far. I had to check this file, check this file. It wants a perfect set of discs before it'll do it. But anyway, we'll try again. Clone this disk. Select which one you want to clone to. This is smaller than the target, so smaller than the source. So I've got select one of them two. And now it's fitted it in. So now you just press next, finish, OK, and then you got to tick this warning that you don't want it overwriting the target disk. So hopefully it'll do it this time. But you got rescue, you got create backups, create images. Really is a good tool if you get it working. And it looks like it's going now, so it's happy with both disks. Yeah, it's going. Well, if you can sort through this now, it's all blocked. We can image, create an image of the disk, create an image of partitions, create file and folder backups, but I think you have to pay for that. And you can create a rescue disk. I always used to do that in the old days because I was always messing up my system. And back then you had to pay for Windows disks and things like that, so that was good, the rescue option. I might do a copy of this as well now. There you go, it's going to take a while, so I'll come back. So it's just done. Took 33 minutes and 31 seconds. Don't know if that's good or bad, but it's done. So there's that rescue disk I was on about. Brilliant. I might do one of them now as well.